Good morning students, I hope you all are doing well at your places and today we'll be studying about sentences. देखिए सेंटेंस कैसे बनता है जब ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स को हम एक साथ टुगेदर कर देते हैं. ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स दे आर अलाइन टुगेदर एंड दे मेक अ कंप्लीट सेंस. उसी को हम बोलते हैं सेंटेंस. दे गिव अ सेंसिबल सेंस that gives a complete sense. So let's just begin with this sentences. So the title of our chapter is the sentence, right? Just rearrange these letters in order to make a meaningful sentence. Field his plow farmer. The farmer plow his field. We can write this. Right. Now you just read the following sentences. You just read and understand that kites flying children are the. This does not make a complete sense. Forest the in roars a lion a. So do you understand the meaning of the other above group of words? Of course, the answer is no. Right. Now we will be studying the above group of words in the following manner. First is that children are playing the kites. Children जो हैं वो kite उड़ा रहे हैं. A lion roars in the forest. और lion क्या कर रहा है? Roar कर रहा है forest में. Now we understand the meaning of the above group of words. अब हम दूसरे ऊपर जो words हैं उनका meaning हम पहचान चुके हैं. Hence these are sentences. और वो क्या है? Sentences हैं. Thus we can say a group of words that gives a complete sense. जो complete sense होती है उन्हीं को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Sentence बोलते हैं. There is a fact file. Sentence always begins with a capital letter and it always ends with full stop, question mark and exclamation mark से end होते हैं. Sentence के पास एक main verb भी होती है. Right? Moving on to the parts of sentence. Sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Subject means जिसके बारे में आप बात कर रहे हैं. The person, place, thing. We can say something about it. इसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Subject. Whereas predicate जिसके बारे में क्या बात हो रही है, what it is said about the subject, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Predicate. Just read the following sentences carefully. I is a subject. I am a doctor. मैं कौन हूँ? मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ. You are a nurse. आप एक नर्स हैं. Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Lotus is our national flower. India is a great country, right? And Delhi is the capital of India, right? Moving on to the kinds of sentences. The sentences are of four types. First is statement or assertive. ये दो types के होते हैं. First is positive and negative. These statements are of two types. Positive means I read a book. मैं book पढ़ती हूँ. Negative, I do not read a book. You just have to place not in between, right? Interrogative sentences को हम questions भी बोलते हैं. जैसे Do you love me? What are you doing? कि आप क्या कर रहे हो? Imperative sentences command भी होती है और request भी होती है. जैसे Come here. Please give me a banana. Sit down. यहाँ बैठ जाइए. Just keep silence, right? Exclamatory sentences basically tells us the expression. How beautiful the rain is. Rain कितनी beautiful है. Alas, I am ruined. Ruin means destroyed. Moving on to the fact file. First is statement or imperative sentences जो होते हैं they always ends with full stop, right? Interrogative sentence question mark से end होते हैं. मतलब जो questions वाले sentence होते हैं और exclamatory sentences end होते हैं exclamatory mark से, right? There is a short quick recap. Sentence is a meaningful group of words. We all know group of words को मिला के एक sentence बनता है. Sentence हमेशा begin करता है capital letter से and it ends with a full stop. Sentence के पास एक main verb होती है. Sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Sentence के पास four types होते हैं: statement, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences and exclamatory sentences. Moving on to the exercise, now we'll be take the correct options, right? Sentence is a meaningful group of words. It is a meaningful group of words, right? Sentence always begins with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. Interrogative sentence किससे end करते हैं? Question mark से, right? You have to rearrange the words and make the meaningful sentences. The teacher teaches in the class. We can write the teacher just make sure that you will put full stops, right? Bird national is peacock is our national bird, right? Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, आप लिख सकते हैं कि Yogi Adityanath is the Chief Minister is the CM of UP, right? Life is water. We will be doing this sentence, that is, life is water. No, water is life, right? Their birds nest make the on tree. That is, birds, जो birds होती हैं, they make their nest on the tree. The birds. Just correct this. This is actually birds. यहाँ से द हटाइए, right? This is birds make their nest on the tree, right? Because we cannot mention the before birds because we are not basically mentioning the specific bird, right? Milk sweet us cow. The cow gives us milk. The cow. Right? So it was all about sentences. Please make sure that you will revise this and just write down few sentences in your notebooks from your academic books or whatever reading books you have, and just identify that what is the subject and what is the predicate in the subject. And please do this homework. It will be very beneficial for you, that how to find out, how to identify subjects and predicate in a sentence. Please do this homework and keep smiling and stay blessed. Thank you.